Hello, this is Louis from Estudiante Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best ways that you can transfer files between the different devices in your home. No? This is a program called LocalSend. So, itong LocalSend, it's available on Linux. It's also available on Windows for desktop. No, and it's also available on Android and iOS. So, as long as you have this, no, and your devices are all in the same network, hindi mo na kailangan mag-set up ng physical connection, no? So, very useful ito para sa mga tao na mahilig mag-transfer ng files papunta sa mga file servers nila like I do. So, itong computer ko kasi it's my file server, and lahat ng mga nasushoot ko sa phones ko, I transfer them over for long-term storage, no? So, ito. Ang gagawin ko is I'm going to send a file from my phone. No? So, I'm going to send a 3 gig file. Tapos, gusto ko makita nyo kung gaano siya kabilis mag-file transfer, no? So, ayan. So, galing sa aking iPhone, i-accept ko lang siya. So, ayan no, nakasulat 3 gig yung file, no? Pero tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kabilis mag-transfer. Normally, kapag nag-transfer kayo ng file sa, sa computer nyo using a data cable, no? Lalo na napon ako to sa Windows, no? Actually, ang bagal niya mag-transfer, like around 10 to 30 MB per second lang siya mag-file transfer. So, itong method na to, it uses Wi-Fi, no? Tapos, ayun nga, ang maganda dito is that they don't really need to be on the same operating system, no? So, kunwari, you have this installed on your iPhone. So, kapag kasi nagpa-file transfer ka from iPhone to iPhone, usually ang ginagamit is AirDrop, no? So ito, magamit ito from iPhone to your PC. Magamit nyo rin siya from Android to iPhone or vice versa, no? So, ayun, no? Around a minute lang yun natapos yung pagpa-file transfer. So, kung 60 seconds yan, and that's a 3 gig file. So, gaano kabilis yun? Around 50 50 MB per second yung file transfer niya, no? So, personally, ito yung ginagamit ko. Dahil nga mabilis siya, no? Kumpara sa mga ibang methods, and hindi siya maarte, meaning it's cross-platform. So, ayun lang. So, lang ipakita, LocalSend. So, this is a very powerful program that I use, and baka mapakinabangan nyo, no? Again, this is Louis from Esperanto Solutions, and see you on the next video.